Hi, this is Ani on daytradingwithani.com and Ani Day Trades on StockTwits and Twitter. I am once again reviewing the Dow Jones Industrial Chart, and I will be posting this on my blog as well as on YouTube, where you can subscribe to both to receive these automatically once I update them. Right here we are looking at the possible right shoulder forming on the Dow Jones Industrial, and I have mentioned this before that this is a possibility. However, if you look at this chart here, this took about 2 months to complete, as did the head. So I'm looking at the same scenario here on the right shoulder, unless of course there's some drastic news that might come out, in which case it could drop down or even break out to a new high. So we'll be watching for that. When I'm looking at this on a longer term basis, a weekly or the monthly, I do not see any other patterns forming at this time. So I will continue to watch this as the head and shoulders possibility. It is still in the middle of the channel here of this monthly channel, and it's reluctant to move higher. It is quite a jump, of course, from the 15.6 to the 17, where it might be heading at that point. So I do expect some sort of a reverse here for a test, but then there's a nice support here down at this level at 14.8. Obviously that's going to be some effect on this movement, so that's partly why we are kind of stuck in on the monthly in a sideways mode. Okay, so let's keep an eye on this on the daily on the right shoulder and see how it develops, and we will take our cues from it. Looking at the SPX, it's basically the same thing, and you can see that this is right now more on an upward mode of for the right shoulder. So if it does develop, I would be looking at a possible move back down to this level here to test this this trend line right here, and then we'll see what would develop next. There too, from the end of April to the end of June, and from the end of June to roughly the end of August is where these humps or this head has been developing, left shoulder possible, right? So this will definitely be under watch as well, because it could more easily break out to this 1740, in which case that pattern will be broken. Okay, and the NDX, if we're looking at the NDX, obviously this is a whole different scenario. We have a nice support right down in this level right here if there is going to be a test, and if it breaks down this support level right here at the 3151 area. So that's going to be the question mark right now, is whether this is continuing to move up higher, or is it going to return and test this before it bounces, or perhaps even come down to this level to bounce. Okay, there's 3 levels to watch on the NDX presently, and the way it's going to develop, it's certainly going to be interesting. All right, that's it for now. Daytradingwithani.com is my blog. Just click on it and subscribe so you can get these automatic updates, or you can go and on YouTube as well, and you will find me there as well for automatic updates for these. And I'll talk to you again next week. Happy trading well and carefully as always, and good luck to you in the markets. Bye bye.